I make this cucumber salad. I got all the stuff I need. Let me open this up. And I'm gonna wash it. We're gonna use one. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm using regular pink salmon. I had smoked salmon the last time, but couldn't find no more. Guess everybody buying that up. But what the fuck ever. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in there. And then I'm gonna cut this motherfucking onion. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm gonna cut this in half so I can have like half. And it ain't smell good now. I'm about to sneeze. Excuse the F out of me. Here we go. I'm running things. Oh shit. I think that's it though. That's all I want. I'm gonna put that to the side. Then I'm gonna get this guac. Hold on. It's just organic shit. I already used some for my tacos. Sure did. I think I'll put that much. No, I'll put that much. I'm gonna take. I sure did use that. Put. It ain't whipped, but it's still gonna shake, and it's still gonna taste like good. I like cream cheese, so I might put some more. Alright, done with that. Then I'm gonna put these capers in. I'll probably use the rest of all of this. I got more left, but these are so freaking good. Okay, I ain't gonna use it all. I ain't gonna be too quick, but if I want some more, I will put some more in it. You feel me? And then I'm gonna shake this everything bagel season on it. Oh my god. Watch how bomb this tastes. It's taking too long. Yeah. 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 And then I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna shake this whole up. Look at that already. Think I need some more. Cause bitch. Oh, it smells so good. Ugh. Damn. Some motherfucking exercise. Logan, you're giving us a workout, baby. But it's worth it. It is worth it, honey. I be eating this like 3 times a week. It's like a pregnancy craving for me. I love it. Damn. Motherfucking tired. I don't know. I mean, this right here, I might need some more cheddar. My guac all mixed up. I said cheddar. I might need some. Oh shit. Making a mess. Need some more cream cheese. I'm about to just use the whole thing. Cause who's gonna stop me? Nobody. Yep, I'm using it all. I'll go buy some more later. Yeah. And I'm gonna just continue to shake this shit out. When I'm finished beating this body, I'll be back. Now I'm done beating this shit up. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is about to hit. And it hits every time. Thank you, Logan. I'm about to try it. Which I know is going to already taste good. But you know. Chopsticks like Logan. And I don't even use chopsticks. But you got to go all the way. Going to hit every single time.